Guys, welcome back to my channel. We're going to be making vanilla cake in the simplest way you have never seen. For those of you who don't have a standing mixer or a hand mixer, you will find this interesting. Put up the full measurement of my ingredients on the description. In a bowl, you go in with your sugar and then followed by your butter. At this point, you need all of your energy to mix everything together because you are not using a mixer. I use whisk to make sure my butter and sugar are well mixed until the butter sugar mixture become very fluffy as seen. You then start breaking your eggs one at a time. You break one into the mixture and then mix until it is properly mixed. You then break the next egg. That's how you do for all the amount of egg you're going to use in your egg. For my own mixture, I use 4 eggs for 2 cups of flour. Make sure the eggs are properly mixed with the sugar butter mixture. For my dry ingredient, that's flour and baking powder, you mix them separately. I use 2 teaspoon of baking powder for 2.5 cups of flour. And mind you, I've already sieved my flour. Then we're going to add 1 teaspoon of vanilla flavor and mix. Add your flour at this point. Mix it gently, do not over mix so that your cake will not be hard. After mixing everything, you now bring out baking pan. Don't worry, if you don't have a baking paper as seen in my video, you can just grease your pan and then transfer the mixture inside the baking pan. Spread it evenly so that it come out smoothly. Use coconut to give it that finish touch. Put your cake mixture into a preheated oven and bake at medium heat for 25 to 30 minutes. Wow, look how soft and beautiful my cake looks. Also bake this cake if you watch the step-by-step method I used. And then if you haven't subscribed, please do subscribe and watch all of my videos. See you next time. Happy watching. Bye.